everyone, it's 𝙬𝚒𝚌𝚊𝚘, women's health educator and hormone balancing chef, bringing recipes and rituals to you to live a modern goddess lifestyle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my Cacao Hempress Truffles. This is a delicious recipe for your luteal phase of the menstrual cycle, also known as the queen phase. This phase comes right after you ovulate, and it's about day 15 to day 28 until you bleed. And I call it your queen phase, your empress phase, because this is a time to own your boundaries around self-care. Plan more time for self-care on your schedule because a lot can come up as we go into PMS, which I believe stands for Please Make Space. So the more care you create on your schedule, the better you will feel. Speaking of self-care, what you make in the kitchen can be your self-care monthly ritual for your luteal phase. Because let's face it, ladies, we can have crazy food cravings before we bleed, which means cravings for sugary sweets, cravings for carbohydrates, which can affect our blood sugar levels, cause more bloating, and more inflammation, which can make cramping worse. These truffles are full of healthy fats to promote healthy blood sugar levels, as well as clean plant-based protein, which is going to help to further prevent those food cravings, and they're low in sugar. So let's get started. I'm so ready to try these. Remember, self-care can start in the kitchen. 𝙬𝚗𝚐𝚑𝗢, these are so good. If you want more recipes like this, you can like or subscribe to Modern Goddess Lifestyle.